So recently I got some really awesome footage here that most of you probably saw a sneak peek of in the last video. And I thought that this footage deserved its own video. So this is a 50 grit KME diamond stone forming a burr on a knife in real time. Basically the knife is moving back and forth on the stone here, and what's interesting is that once the burr is formed, until you switch sides, the direction the knife is moving on the surface of the stone doesn't affect the burr in any way. That's because the burr is being pushed over to the opposite side. Now I think we may have to revisit whether or not sharpening direction matters, because in a previous video before I got the ability to really see these edges up close, I came to the determination that sharpening direction didn't really matter. But I'm actually not really sure now. I'm not sure if it's the direction the knife is moving on the stone that matters, or simply making sure to alternate sides regardless of direction when we're trying to minimize the burr. Now I do have some other footage that may help answer this, but I think we'll save this for another video. I just thought that this footage was super cool. Basically, this is what's happening up close on your sharpening stone when you're sharpening your knife. Once you apex, that burr forms, and at this point, you can move on to finer grits. What's interesting here is that as we watch this in slow motion, the burr is formed almost instantly upon apexing. This is only about an inch worth of sharpening stone moving back and forth here on the knife, and even in slow motion you can see just how fast that burr forms in literally a couple of inches worth of movement on the stone. Basically it's less than one pass on a full-size diamond sharpening stone for a burr to form from a clean apex. So anyone who says that they can stop sharpening the second that they apex and they don't form a burr whatsoever, sorry, but you are, it's just smaller than you think. You would have to stop sharpening within an inch or two of apexing for that to happen. There's a burr there, it's just too small to be felt or seen without magnification. Anyway, hope you thought that this was as interesting as I did, and we'll see you in the next video.